Hello guys! Today, I am going to help you on how to create a poll in WhatsApp. In order to do this one, first open the WhatsApp on your phone and then choose a private or group chat message where you want to make a poll. For Android users, you have to click this attachment icon. It is a plus sign on the other side for the iPhone users. Now, click the poll and type your question and options. Like this one. What is your preferred schedule for the party? Option 1, February 19th, 2 p.m. Option 2, February 21st, 2 p.m. And now, you and your recipient can choose from these options. You can view the result in your message as well. That is the very simple way on how to make your poll in WhatsApp. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.